Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check the warranty on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the browser on your smartphone. Now from here, just search Mi Global. Now from here, just open the Xiaomi Global website. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Customer Support. Now from here, as you can see, there are many countries supported. Just scroll down and select your country. Service and chat. Now, if the service and chat option is not available in your country, you can either contact the Xiaomi customer support with this number or with the email. Now, if the service and chat option is available in your country, just tap on service and chat. Now, from here, scroll down and tap on live chat. Now, from here, tap on yes. Now, from here, just enter your email address. Now from here, just type warranty status. Now as you can see, they have replied, "Hi, welcome to Xiaomi." Now as you can see, they have replied, "Hi, welcome to Xiaomi customer service. How may I help you?" Now from here, as you can see, they are asking us to share the IMEI number of the smartphone. Now to do that, just go to the home screen. Now from here, tap on the dialer app. Now from here, just dial *#06#. Now from here, just copy the IMEI number of the smartphone, just like that. Now from here, just go back to your browser. Now from here, just paste the IMEI number we just copied. Now they will take a few seconds for they will take a few seconds to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied. You can check the activation date of your smartphone, and from here, as you can see, the warranty start time is 11th of November 2024 and the warranty end time is 11th of November 2025. And this is how you can check the warranty on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.